In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the combination of a filter and the calculation bar here in the Google Sheets mobile app. So if you're filtering your data and trying to quickly get the sum, average, min, or max, here's a scenario on where you can use both. So I have my example data right here. So these are actually grades of some students. So what I want to do is to apply a filter first and figure out which students have the same grades and figure out their average after. So let's go ahead and apply a filter first. What I'm going to do is to apply a filter to all of my columns right here. And I can start off by just selecting any of these headers. So we have the student name, first quarter, second, third, and fourth quarter. I can just tap on any of these like so. There you have it. Then I'll go to the ellipsis at the top right corner and select Create a Filter. So we've successfully applied a filter to each of those columns right there. And what I want to do is again filter the grades to see which of these students have the same grade. So I'm going to filter the first quarter right here. Tap on the filter icon. There we have it. So I'm going to clear out all of those grades and select the grade of 88 right here. There you have it. So right now there are 5 students with the same grade of 88 for the first quarter. If I filter my second quarter right here and figure out which of these students have the same grade of 88 on the first quarter and let's say 89 on the second quarter. There you have it. So I have 2 students with the same grade of 88 for the first and 89 for the second. I'm going to stop filtering right there. So right now we can see that they have basically the same grades from the first to the fourth quarter. What I want to do next is to get the average grade of both students. Since they have the same grade, what I'm going to do is to just select one of the range right here. There you go. And automatically at the bottom, you will see our calculation bar appear. Now, this would quickly calculate the sum, average, max, min, and count for that selected range. And if you wanted to, again, get the average of that range, I can simply just tap on this one right here, and it will quickly be added on another cell right next to that range. And there you have it. So with a combination of filtering that data and then adding the average with the use of the calculation bar, I was able to figure out which students have the same grades and the average grade for those students. And there you have it. Now let's try that again. I'm just going to undo that. There we go. Let's say I want to filter the third quarter this time. I'm just going to tap on the filter icon. Clear all of the grades that are selected. Let's say I want to see the ones that are not really doing well. This one right here. There you go. So now we have that student who has a consistent line of 7 of grades from the first quarter to the second quarter. If I wanted to get again the average of that student, I'm just going to select that range. And again, we have the calculation bar at the bottom just next to our formula bar. And if I wanted to see the lowest grade out of all the 4 quarters, I'm just going to select the min right here. And if I tap on that, that would automatically be added on my spreadsheet. And there you have it. And with those methods, we were able to figure out which student has the lowest grade from the third quarter and which is the lowest grade from all the quarters for that student. And that's how you use your filter and your calculation bar here in the Google Sheets mobile app. Now, if you're interested in learning more on how to use the Sheets app, I have a full playlist that I'll be linking to with a card at the top right corner for you to click. Also, if you need extra help with Sheets, I also have a free guide linked in the description below that you should definitely check out. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.